Today, we'll introduce the working principle of an air source heat pump. During operation, the heat pump evaporator absorbs ambient heat. The compressor draws in low temperature, low pressure refrigerant gas, compresses it into high temperature, high pressure gas, which releases heat in the condenser to heat water. The refrigerant then passes through the expansion valve, returns to low temperature, low pressure state, enters the evaporator to absorb heat again, and flows back to the compressor to repeat the cycle for continuous heating. The air source heat pump heats water to 55 degrees Celsius, which circulates via pumps and pipes to fan coils, radiators or underfloor heating, releasing warmth from the feet up. It operates stably at 25 degrees Celsius and raises indoor temperature to 18 to 28 degrees Celsius.